Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup, a full guide. Making delicious homemade soup is a rewarding experience, and it all begins with a solid foundation. First, gather fresh, high-quality ingredients. They are crucial for the best taste. Next, meticulously prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into uniform pieces. Finally, sauté aromatics like onions, carrots, and celery in a tablespoon or two of olive oil to create a rich, flavorful base for your culinary masterpiece. Once your aromatics are fragrant, it is time to build the liquid foundation. Pour in 4 to 6 cups of your chosen liquid, like vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring all solid ingredients are fully submerged. This is also the perfect moment to introduce your herbs and spices, such as a teaspoon of dried thyme or a bay leaf, allowing their flavors to meld. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, or until vegetables are tender. Now, let's perfect the texture and taste. If you prefer a thicker soup, you can create a simple roux with 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, or use a cornstarch slurry. Alternatively, blend a portion of the soup for a natural thickness. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For a final flourish, stir in a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley or a generous swirl of heavy cream just before serving. Your delicious homemade soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it hot into bowls and consider adding a garnish like croutons, a sprinkle of cheese, or a dollop of sour cream for extra appeal. For any leftovers, allow the soup to cool completely to room temperature, which typically takes about 1 to 2 hours. Then, transfer it to airtight containers and store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.